Bonjour and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for passing by and don't forget to press the subscribe button. So today we'll be talking about how to use chez and à. Knowing when to use chez and à, two prepositions in French language that mean the same thing but they are not used in the same context. Chez and à. But before I talk about these two prepositions, let's quickly see this simple arithmetic of how to use à in French. À is a preposition that can mean to, in, and at. À changes in every French sentence depending on the noun that comes after it, gender or not. If it's masculine or feminine or plural, yes. So let's look at this simple arithmetic. À plus lo would give you o. Okay. À plus la would give you à la. À plus le would give you o. Then à plus l apostrophe. Let's take for example, you want to say this word le cinéma. Le cinéma. It's a masculine word. Okay, now if you want to use it in a sentence that has à in it, I'm going to the cinema, you won't say je vais à le cinéma. No, because à comes before le. They won't stay together that way. So you have to write je vais au cinéma, or you say je vais au cinéma. Let's take this word again. La gare. La gare. You want to say I'm going to the station. Say je vais à la gare. That one doesn't change. It won't change. Je vais à la gare. I'm going to the station. Les enfants. Children. Les enfants. Okay, you want to say I gave an assignment to the children. You won't say j'ai donné un devoir à les enfants. That's very wrong. Totally wrong. So instead of that, you'd say j'ai donné un devoir aux enfants. This right here is a perfect illustration of the arithmetic I gave you. So a quick reminder, à plus lo gives you o. À plus la gives you à la. À plus le gives you o. Back to the topic of the day, yes, because we had a little digression. Yeah, so we are back to the topic of the day. Knowing when to use chez instead of à in a sentence, and knowing when to use à instead of chez in a sentence. Chez is usually used before a person's name. Is usually used before a person or a name, while à is usually used before a place. À is usually used before a place. Chez is usually used before a person. Okay, so you want to say I'm going to the bakery. Okay, now this word la boulangerie. La boulangerie is bakery. Le boulanger. Le boulanger is baker. Now if you want to say I'm going to the bakery, you say je vais à la boulangerie. Je vais à la boulangerie. Or if you want to say I'm going to the baker's, the baker is the person that does the job, right? The baker is the person that bakes. So you want to say I'm going to the baker's, you say je vais chez le boulanger. Je vais chez le boulanger. You want to say I'm going to the pharmacy. La pharmacie is the place. Then le pharmacien is the pharmacist that owns the place. So if you want to say I'm going to the pharmacy, you say je vais à la pharmacie. But if you want to say I'm going to the pharmacist's, you say je vais chez le pharmacien. Do you understand? Let's take another example. You want to say I'm going to Monsieur Durand's place. I'm going to Mr. Durand's place. You say je vais à la maison de Monsieur Durand. That I'm going to Mr. Durand's house. Now if you want to say I'm going to Mr. Durand's, you say je vais chez Monsieur Durand. Je vais chez Monsieur Durand. So chez is used before the person or a name, while à is used before a place. Okay, I hope you've picked one or two from this video, and I hope I've succeeded in helping you learn something new. today. See you next time on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so for more intriguing videos, and also don't forget to follow us on our social media handle.